Hey everyone, here's a quick video showing how to change the engine air filter for your Hyundai Kona. To start off, you want to pop the hood. So use this lever right here and pull it, pop the hood. And then you take your new filter that you have. To take the old one out, you're going to be opening up this section right here. To open that up, there's a little clip right here. Just push that back. And then there's another one right here. Push that back as well. This section is also connected here and over there. Kind of slides in and out this direction. So you will just lift it up and slide it back. And as you can see, there's the old one right there. So grab the old one out. And then remember which direction it was oriented, just like this. And then you can pop the new filter in right here in the same direction, and then lower it back down to close it. Again, as you can see, it slides out from over here. So as you reseat it, just make sure that it kind of gets pushed under that lip right there for it to go back in place, just like that. And then once it's pushed down and in place like that, just go ahead and push these back on. And the latch back on, and the other one, push it back on. And that is how you replace the engine air filter. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop them in the comments.